Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be unbagging another Medusa's makeup subscription. So, I didn't do one last month because of financial reasons, but I have one again this month, and let's go ahead and dig in and see what we have. First of all, I'm bringing out the card for this month, and this month's theme is Muse. And I'm not going to peek and see what's on the back because it lists all the things that are in the box, but I'm not going to look. I want to be surprised. Okay, so everything is in our Medusa's makeup bag. Double check, there is a card in here that talks about leaving a review. And that's all that's in the mailer. So here is the subscription bag. It is a nice reusable plastic bag with bubble wrap on the inside that is all heart-shaped, and it says Medusa's Makeup. So let's open this up. I'm not looking. I just unzipped it and I'm reaching in and pulling out the first thing I grabbed, which feels like it is a eyeshadow. Glam Rock eyeshadow. Ooh. And it looks like it's in my favorite color. Let's see what this is all about. That is a gorgeous package. Alright, this is the Glam Rock eyeshadow in the shade Rhapsody. Let's see what that looks like. There we go. So this is the package. It is a lovely pink, and the shade is sort of, it's hard to tell from this lighting, but it looks like a brownish burgundy shimmer. That is that shade there. Let's see. That is pretty. So that is Glam Rock eyeshadow in the shade Rhapsody. Ooh, we'll find out more about that. Get my makeup towel. Alright. Next we have from 10 Free. Looks like a nail polish. Yes. And this is in the shade Sand Dollar. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a lovely like pastel color. Looks like it's a pastel white, beige, pink. My lighting is horrible, I have to tell you. But it is a very pastel, I'm going to say very pastel pinky beige. And that is from 10 Free nail polish, and that is the shade Sand Dollar. Okay. Next up is going to be something smaller. Alright, this is from Peony. This is a Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub. Cute little package here. All these are vegan and cruelty free. And this is a cute little lip scrub there from Peony. Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub. I'm not going to open it, but that is cute. With shea butter, safflower, avocado, sweet almond, jojoba, and pumpkin oils. And that is a little lip scrub in a little tubey. That is sweet. And two more things left. We have from Medusa's Makeup Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. Oh, I wish I wasn't already wearing a metallic lip gloss right now. And it's taped shut, but let me peel the tape off. Come on, you can do it. There we go. And let's see what the color is. It looks like it is a purpley pink. Ultra Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. Ooh. Get a little swatch of that going. The doe foot is very small. And the stopper is quite tight. Don't know if you'll be able to see that, but very hard to see. Not much color, just a lot of pinky purple sparkle in there. And it has a nice scent to it. I didn't even like, what does it smell like? Like vanilla. It smells like vanilla frosting. So that is adorable. Alright, we got some nice stuff. And finally, the last thing is, oh, I remember seeing this on Instagram. This is their new product. It is a body spray with essential oils. And this is by Medusa's Makeup. And this one is called Lovely Human. And let's see, what does this have in it? Oh, it doesn't tell me. Okay. I guess that means we're going to have to find out. It smells nice, but I don't know what's in it. Okay, well that is a nice little body spray called Lovely Human. That is everything. Double check. Yep, that is everything we got in this month's bag. So we got the body spray and the lip scrub. We've got the sparkly lip gloss, the nail polish, and a lovely eyeshadow. Is there anything about these products that I didn't know? Oh, the lip gloss is in the shade Bad Girls. I didn't mention that. And that's about it. Yep, it doesn't even say on here what the Lovely Human body spray is. So I will have to look that up and see if I can find out. But it smells nice. And the value of the items, products are valued at $74. So yeah, that is this month's April subscription from Medusa's Makeup. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to try it for yourself, I will leave the link to Medusa's Makeup in the description box below. And if you want to see more of my makeup content and panning content, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload my next video. And until then, take care. Bye!